Top 5 Microsoft Copilot features that you should know. Microsoft Copilot is available in more places than most users are going to realize. It's embedded in Word, in Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, Edge, and Windows itself. Now, most people who have access to it use one or two features occasionally. Now, the users who get the most out of it had found 5 capabilities that fit naturally into how they already work and built habits around using them consistently. Now, this video covers the 5 Microsoft Copilot features that deliver the most practical value. Not every feature, but the one that has the clearest, most immediate response and can help users in the biggest way possible. Now, Microsoft Copilot exists in 2 main forms. There is Copilot, the free version that is available through Microsoft's web interface. Windows and Edge uses GPT-4 as its foundation and handles generational or general AI assistant tasks. Then there is Copilot for your Microsoft 365, the paid add-on at $30 per user per month. It integrates deeply into the Microsoft 365 apps and has access to your organizational data, including your emails, documents, meetings, and Teams conversations. Now, the 5 features I'm covering are going to span both tiers. Some are available on the free version, some require the paid add-on. I will be clear about which is which for each feature. Now, for anyone who spends significant time managing email, Copilot in Outlook is the single highest impact feature in the Microsoft 365 Copilot suite. It does 2 things particularly well. First of all, there is thread summarization. So, when you have a long email thread with multiple participants and dozens of messages, Copilot can summarize the entire thread into a few sentences covering what was discussed, or what decisions were made, and what action items are outstanding. So for anyone who regularly returns to long email threads after being away, this capability alone saves meaningful time every day. Then there's draft generation, where Copilot drafts email replies based on the context of the thread that you're responding to. You can go ahead and click reply and ask Copilot to literally draft a response. Give it a brief destruction, decline this meeting, but suggest an alternative time next week, or something like that. Now, this feature does require Copilot for 365. Then, moving on, you have Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so you can literally open up your Microsoft Teams, and Copilot is going to join your meetings. It will actually transcribe them in real time and generate a meeting summary with key discussion points, decisions made, and action items assigned, delivered as soon as the meeting is going to end. Now, the practical impact is the same way any meeting transcription tool. You're fully present in the conversation rather than actually split between participating and note taking. But of course, doing all of that with the advantage of being directly integrated into Teams without needing a third-party tool. Now, the summary appears in the Teams meeting chat where all participants can pretty much see it, and they can see it clearly, which also serves as a shared record of what was discussed and agreed. And for your general recurring meetings, the accumulated meeting summarizes and creates a searchable history of what was covered, which is particularly useful for onboarding a new team member for ongoing projects. Now, this feature requires Copilot for Microsoft 365 and requires Teams transcription to be enabled. Now, Copilot in Microsoft Word is also a big beef up in the Microsoft suite. Okay, so basically, what's going to be happening is you're going to be gone ahead and given a pretty straight and consistent work ethic on how you're going to want to do all of this. You know, the general work in World handles 2 documents or tasks that save the most time. Okay. Now, draft generation from an outline or a brief description, you can literally describe the document you need, and Copilot produces a complete first draft with a transformation of existing content, summarizing a very long document into whatever you want. Okay. Now, the draft generation is most valuable for document types that follow a consistent sequence or structure. Proposals, reports, policy documents, procedure documentation. The more clearly defined the document type, the more useful the Copilot generated first draft is as a starting point. Now, for unique or highly contextual documents, the draft requires more editing but still saves time compared to starting from a blank page. The transformational features, particularly summarization of long documents, are available on both free and paid Copilot versions in some contexts. The full integration in the word editing interface requires Copilot from Microsoft 365, and you can add it through add-ins right over here, where you can simply go ahead and add in Copilot. But of course, if you don't have a paid section, you will not be able to do so. Now, the fourth feature is Copilot in Microsoft Excel. Now, Excel, as we all know, is a worldwide use app for non-technical work, but data entry. Now, Copilot in Excel's formula generation capability is the most immediately practical feature in the entire 365 suite. You can describe what you want a formula to calculate in plain English, and Copilot writes the whole formula. And moving on, another great place that you can have a Copilot is Copilot in Edge for web research and page summarization. Now, let's say I'm over here, right? I can simply open up my Copilot as so, and look at that. So Copilot is going to start giving me things like create a summary of this page, expand on this topic, and so on. It gives you more and more to work with, more and more to see. And just as so, you can go ahead and get a pretty consistent and coherent idea of how you're going to want to work on this. Okay, so you can literally ask, create a summary of the main points on this page, and look at that. It gives you everything that you need. And as you go on, you can even expand on different topics, research assistance, and even page summarizations. Now, the 5 Microsoft Copilot features are worth building habits around email summarization and drafting in Outlook, meeting summarization in Teams, document drafting in Words, formula generation and data analysis in Excel, and page summarization and research in Edge. Each one addresses a specific high-frequency task that knowledge workers spend disproportionate time on. So if you have access to Microsoft 365, start with one that corresponds to your single biggest daily time drain. The habit you build around one feature is what creates the foundation for using the others. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.